We often get asked what are the advantages of upgrading to Stocks to Trade Pro, and in today's video I'm going to tell you what they are. Hey everyone, lead trainer with Stocks to Trade, Tim Bowen here. Going to talk to you about what the advantages of going with Stocks to Trade Pro are. There are many. Obviously I'm a little biased, but Stocks to Trade Pro is a mentorship program that is built on top of the platform that you're already using, Stocks to Trade. The great thing about it is, there's a lot of stock trading mentorship programs out there. There's a lot of instructional DVDs. There's a lot of books, and there's a lot of great educational materials out there. But what they've all kind of lacked is you might not be using the same tools that the instructor is. That maybe it's a book and they're using a different charting platform in their examples in the book. Maybe it's a training DVD and they're using completely different software. So they're running scanners, they're using technical indicators, but they look different depending on what the platform you're using. So the nice thing about Stocks to Trade is every day you see me using the same software you're already using every day. And the greatest advantage is, and this is something I'm pretty proud of, in the last couple of years I've done over 1,200 live interactive webinars in Stocks to Trade Pro. How do I do that? Twice a day. Every day I do a webinar where you've got live direct access to me via chat. You see my platform, you hear my commentary, we're looking at stocks, we're running scans, we're using the tools to make you a consistently profitable trader. Something that, again, I'm proud of is, every day I show up. Unless I'm traveling or don't have internet access for some reason, I'm there every day. I have not missed a day in almost 2.5 years, so you've got that direct interaction. Everyday market open. I go live at 9 a.m. pretty much every day in chat. I'm there at 7 a.m. These are Eastern time zone times. And then every day at 3:30 into the market close, I'm there live again. You see my screen. We're looking for those potential overnight or swing trades that many of you under the PDT like. And then also, every Monday night at 7 p.m. we do what's called a strategy session. This is where we kind of slow it down a little bit. We're not necessarily looking at the hot stocks of the day. We're talking about psychology. We're reviewing past trades. We're talking about maybe more macro things, where the market is heading, what the hot sectors are. We're talking about technical indicators, chart patterns. It's really that time where we can focus on what I call the plumbing, kind of the nitty-gritty of trading. And then you also have part of the Pro program, direct email access to me. I'm always checking my email, kind of an addict, check it every few minutes. But for sure, check out stockstotrade.com/pro. It's linked below. Twice daily webinars, strategy session every Monday night, direct email access, live chat every day. There's a bunch of advantages that help you become a consistently profitable trader. So for sure, if you're interested in taking your trading to the next level, check out stockstotrade.com/pro. If you're already a Stocks to Trade member, comment below. We'd love to hear your comments. And then as always, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and we'll see you next time. Hey everyone, lead trainer with Stocks to Trade, Tim Bowen here. We'd like to thank you for watching our videos. We really want to help you learn, grow, and evolve and become a consistently profitable trader. We're proud of the tools we built in Stocks to Trade and want to help you maximize your success. Be sure to check out the other videos over there, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.